Connect your Binance wallet to Memeland. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your Binance wallet to Memeland. Now, first of all, open the Memeland bot, and after that, go to wallet and click on it. Now, in my case, I have already a wallet connected. Now, if you want to connect another wallet, just click on it and click on this settings icon. Click on it. No, sorry. I will go back. Now click on settings. Now here it will show you connect different wallets. After you click on it, just go back and go back, and you see here connect a wallet from the start. Just click on it, and after you click on it, it will show you this is our wallet that you want to connect. Just click on Binance. Now in my case, I don't have the wallet installed already, so it will redirect me automatically to the Binance app. So as you can see here, now in my case, I need to create a wallet. So tap on create a wallet, and I will add the fingerprints to pass. Now here it will show you this loading process. Just wait to finish. So here we go. So now they are verifying with passkey. So I will put my finger again for security. So in case if you have the code pin, you can enter the code pin. So as you can see here, wallet is created. Perfect. Now click on confirm. And click on, now it's go. Now it will go back to the Telegram. And here we click on play in your reality. We will open the Memeland bot again to make sure that my Binance wallet is connected 100%. So if I go to wallet again, I click on it. Now as you can see, my Binance Web3 wallet is connected to Memeland. So this is how to connect your Binance wallet to Memeland. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.